Ralph, take this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity.
Never before.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
I promise. Will the whole world remember this? And as you feel it, you'll know it's true. That you are blessed and lucky. It's true that you are touched by something ethical and good. And these are days you'll remember when